Hey fellow writers, welcome back to Shelly's Creative Life. If you're staring at a blank page and feeling stuck, this video is for you. Today we're diving into the art of free writing, a powerful tool to unlock your creativity and push past writer's block. Let's get started. First things first, what is free writing? It's a technique where you write continuously without worrying about grammar, punctuation, or even making sense. The goal is to let your thoughts flow freely onto the page. It can be incredibly freeing and a fantastic way to spark new ideas. Grab your writing tools and set a timer for 10 minutes. This time limit helps you stay focused and prevents overthinking. Ready? Let's go. Step 2, start writing. Write about anything that comes to your mind. Don't stop to edit or judge your thoughts. Just let the words flow. It can be a stream of consciousness, a rant, a description of your surroundings, anything. The key is to keep your pen moving or your fingers typing. Step 3, reflect. When the timer goes off, take a moment to read what you've written. You might find a gem of an idea or a new perspective that you hadn't considered before. Don't worry if it looks messy. That's the beauty of free writing. Remember, free writing is a practice, not a perfection. The more you do it, the easier it becomes. So next time you're stuck, grab a pen and let your thoughts flow. And let me remind you that I've written a book called Writing Made Easy that will help you in your writing journey. You can find this little jewel on Amazon. Thanks for watching, friends. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more writing tips. Happy writing.